Check out one of our more recent updates. Notes and tasks are now available directly from the Conversations page. This is a great feature if you love to save time and stay organized. This feature provides your business with a seamless way to organize and track important information without navigating away from your current and ongoing conversation. This feature has amazing benefits. Let me share those with you. First of all, it's going to enhance your productivity. Now, your business can efficiently add, edit, and even manage tasks and notes directly while you're in the Conversations tab. It's also going to improve your organization. Now, your business can stay organized and keep track of important details without switching between multiple screens. It's also going to enhance collaboration with your team. This is going to make it possible to better collaborate and allow users to easily share tasks, updates, and important notes within the CRM. Let's talk about some practical use. First of all, as a business owner using our system to manage client communications, the best part about this feature is that while you're in that conversation, you don't need to try to remember or go back and forth on anything that you're doing. You can immediately add those notes and those tasks directly into the conversation while you are within that conversation. You don't need to leave the conversations area to add those notes and tasks in. This is going to allow you to not lose track of your conversation or anything else that you need to track. First, let me show you exactly where you access both tasks and notes. You want to be in the Conversations tab as well in the upper navigation Conversations tab. And then you want to select that contact. You're going to see your conversation in that center panel, but what you're now going to see is notes or tasks right on the right side. You can see those highlighted in my screen. Now you can add or delete a task while you're working in that conversation. It's this simple. Go ahead and click on that specific task icon and then go ahead and add that task. If you need to delete from there, go ahead and also delete. The same goes for notes. While you're in that conversation, engaging with your client, your user, you are able to go ahead and click on those notes. You can add any of the notes you'd like. You can also delete anything. But if you accidentally delete something, don't worry, you can restore those accidentally deleted items. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.